Just a super quick one. So I picked these up on Amazon not too long ago, and they're just like an absolute godsend for detailing and car washing. So you only really need two. So basically, this just slips under the tire of the front or rear wheels of your car, and then you have these rollers on them. So when you're pressure washing, before I had these, my pressure washer hose would keep getting caught under the tyre, so you'd have to kind of like whip it out again. And this just completely eliminates that, so it's a much easier, more chill experience to wash your car, much less frustrating. So yeah, there's really nothing to them. As I said, it's just a roller and that goes under the tyre. I'll just quickly demo how they work, and then it's kind of up to you if you want to get them or not. If you feel like they would benefit you. I use a Ava pressure washer, and the hose is quite heavy and durable and quite a large diameter, so these work really well. These might not work so well if you're using like an entry-level Karcher with a really plasticky, lightweight hose, which coils up. In that case, the hose itself might not even have the weight to kind of roll these. The hose on mine, I think is 8 meters, which is long enough to go down one side of the car and to the rear, but it won't go all the way around, hence why I only need two of these. If your hose is long enough to do like 360 around the whole car, you might want to get 4, possibly, but in my case 2 is fine. So I'll just demo it and then I'll end the video after that. And as I said, it's kind of, you make the call if these would be worth it for you. But they're very cheap and take like seconds to set up. So yeah, I'll just show you how that works, and cheers.